people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Now in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you how to use beetroot for a mask, mixing it with other natural homemade remedy. This is wonderful. Okay, it's actually going to help you a whole lot. Okay, so if you want to know all of this natural remedy that I'm going to be putting into beetroot for a mask, do continue watching, subscribe, thumbs up and share this video, and let me take you right into the video. Alright, so the first ingredient I'm going to be needing for this beetroot face mask is beetroots. Okay, so this is actually what I'm going to be using to glow my skin. Now beetroot is one natural remedy that lightens up the skin and it gives your skin a glow. So I'm going to be peeling it all up. So now I would have to be creating this. Okay guys, so to bring out the juice of this beetroot, you're going to be putting just a little bit of water and then we would have to give it a stir. Now after that is done, we would have to be sieving it out. And then this is the juice. Okay, so the next ingredient we're going to be needing will be ground floor. And ground floor is a popular and works in rejuvenating and brightening up the skin. It helps to calm the skin and remove fine lines, and it also helps to tighten up the skin because of its numerous benefits. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be putting in one tablespoon of pure ground floor, and then I would have to stir it up. And this is how it looks like. It's really pinkish. Now the next ingredient we're going to be needing is rice powder. Now rice is a natural and a great remedy that helps to lighten up the skin. It helps to rejuvenate and make the skin look really great. It also works wonders in giving the skin a natural and a moisturizing feeling, and it also a remedy that removes fine lines and tighten up the skin. Okay guys, so for this I'm going to be putting in 1 teaspoon of rice powder, and then we would have to give it a stir, and this is how it looks like. The consistency is not friendly enough. I would have to be adding up another liquid. Okay guys, so the next ingredient is going to be lemon. Now this is a local lemon. See, and is citric in nature. It helps to rejuvenate and lighten up the skin. It also helps to keep the skin really young by removing dark spots, wrinkles, pimples, and rough edges. So I'm going to be cutting lemon into two, and then we're going to be squeezing the juice in here. And now I would have to stir it first and check the consistency of this treatment. Okay guys, so this consistency is friendly and it's perfect. This ingredient, you can actually use it once in a week and it's gonna be really perfect for your skin. Guys, so here is my beetroot. Oh, it looks really beautiful. Look at that. Here is my beetroot mask, and you have to refrigerate it, right? See, the thing is that one thing about natural products or natural remedies like this, you have to refrigerate it to get a very good result when you apply it. Okay, and then you refrigerate it for just 5 to 10 minutes just for it to be cool and chill, so that when you apply it on your skin, oops, it's gonna do all of the job. So I'm gonna be applying this generously onto my skin. Oh my god, I'm loving this. Okay, so after you've applied this, you would have to give it a little scrub, okay, because masks like this, you are gonna be scrubbing out those dead skin cells on your skin, okay? Remember to always scrub your skin in a circular motion. Yeah. Oops, I'm loving this, man. Okay, so after you scrub this all out, then you have to leave it onto your skin for it to dry. Now before you leave it on, you would have to apply another coat, okay, for a firmer skin. Now the reason why you have to apply another coat is that so that when it dries, it becomes really, it kind of tightens up your skin even more, okay? Okay guys, so this is it, and this is actually really good, and it's going to help glow my skin. So use this as often as possible, as often as you can, and all of your blemishes is gonna be gone and your skin is gonna be looking really glowing and beautiful. Man, you have to allow this dry and tighten your skin, and then you go wash it off, and I'll go wash mine off and I'll be right back. So that's it guys, it smells really great, it feels really good, and it works really fine. Washing it off, you know, it's actually like wow, it softens the skin and all of that. Okay, so go try this out and let me know in the comment section. And yeah, if you do enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and ciao.